Hello everyone, I am Nimish Wagre. In GATE 2021, I have secured All India Rank 23 in Chemical Engineering. In this video, I will discuss what should be your last 5 month strategy for GATE 2022 preparation. As last 5 months remain, someone will think it is very last time 5 months, but according to me, it is very short time, and this is a turning point for you. Last 5 months, those who will give up, they will won't get good rank, and those who haven't started yet but prepare seriously for last 5 months, they will seriously get a rank under 100 or under 200. It is a turning point last 5 months. In this video, I will guide you what should be your strategy and what should be your planning. I will discuss day by day when should you start question paper and everything in this video. So let us start our discussion. So let us assume this is now September month. September, October, November, December, January. What I will suggest you, take divide September and October. You should do revision and making notes. Any uncovered point remain, then cover it in September and October, and prepare this subject in such a way that you should do not want to revise again in the remaining any time. So in September and October, divide these 2 months in 15, 15, 15 and 15 days. In every 15 days, takes three subjects, 3 technical subject and 1 mathematics subject. And out of these 15 days, try to cover in 12 days. You should study this subject, revise your notes, study everything, listen YouTube lectures, unacademy platform lectures of any teacher. Do such kind of activities for 12 days, and remaining 3 days you should solve question papers as max as possible. So subject wise question papers on three subjects, maximum as max as possible for you. Try to solve it. Many test series available on Unacademy in free also and on plus subscription also. Try to solve all this. This is for 15 days. If you have already in June, July also you have solved test series, then you can use 13 to 14 days for revision, and you will solve question paper in 1 day only. Test series on this 3 subjects in 1 or 2 days only. And most important point is you should do revision of these solve question papers where you are going wrong. You should revise where you are going wrong in this test series. This is for 15 days, 3 subjects, and next 15 days 3 subjects. Remaining next month, September, October, you should do 15, 15, 3 subjects. I have made some combination for you. This was my combinations. Means when I was taking 15 days, I was taking 3 subjects, and I was choosing them in such a way that some subjects are very interesting, numerical type, and some subjects are very boring, and parallelly mathematics. I was taking 3 subjects in such a way. I am telling you my combinations. You may be find it interesting. In first 15 days, I was taking fluid mechanics, heat transfer, and plant design and economics. In this fluid mechanics and heat transfer, very interesting subjects, a lot of concept and numerical type. And as compared to it, plant design and economics, it is also a numerical type subject, but little I was feeling it is boring subjects. These 3 subjects I was taking for first 15 days, out of which 13 days I was doing revision of these 3 subjects, and 14th and 15th day I was solving test series, subject wise test series on this subject. And in parallel I was keeping calculus in the first 15 days. Means this fluid mechanics, heat transfer, plant design and economics plus calculus. This is whole day my schedule divided into it. And next 15 days I was taking following subject: mass transfer, process calculation, and chemical technology, and in parallel differential equation and Laplace transform. In this mass transfer is a very interesting subject. process calculation is also less than mass transfer, but it is also interesting subject. And chemical technology, totally a theory subject. So I was keeping in such a way with mass transfer, process calculation, and chemical technology, some numerical and total theory subject. And in parallel, I was doing a differential equation and Laplace transform, very totally a mathematical subject. I was taking one parallel with three technical. This is for 1 month is done. In next month, first 15 days, I was totally taking thermodynamics 1 and thermodynamics 2, and process dynamics and control. Thermodynamics, there are two parts, and thermodynamics 1, which is classical thermodynamics up to entropy, and thermodynamics 2, which is solution thermodynamics, which means Kevin Arena 6, 7, 8, 9 chapters, which is thermodynamics 2. And this is for thermodynamics, and in parallel I was keeping process dynamics and control, very interesting subject if you learn properly. Many students find this process dynamics and control subject very difficult, at big equations, big very block diagrams, very big. It is a very interesting subject actually. Initially watching you will find it difficult, but it is very interesting if you learn properly. If college teacher not teaching you properly, then go on YouTube. I think Manish sir of Unacademy did this process dynamics and control whole course available on YouTube in free. So and he had taught in very interesting manner. You can watch it. This is and in parallel I was doing linear algebra and probability. Again I am repeating for 15 days. Thermodynamics 1, thermodynamics 2, plant process dynamics and control, and linear algebra and probability. This you can keep in for 15 days. Means it was my 15 days timetable in an interesting and non-interesting subject manner. And last 15 days I was keeping CRE, chemical reaction engineering, mechanical operation, these two subjects. In last I was not keeping many subjects, only chemical reaction engineering and mechanical operation, which is quite small. And in parallel I was keeping numerical methods and complex analysis. This complex analysis is the little lengthy topic. I think Ankur Bansal sir have taught in a very interesting manner on Unacademy platform, not on YouTube. This complex analysis is very important also, due to many questions get asked on it only, and numerical methods, mechanical operation, and chemical reaction engineering. This is what 15 this schedule I have taught you. And in this way September and October over, and next month is November. In this month you should start solving previous year papers. Means I was started solving previous year paper from 2015 in the reverse direction. 2015 paper on one day, 2014 paper on one day. In morning I was solving paper, and in afternoon I was analyzing whole papers, where I am going wrong, what mistakes I am doing. In this I was doing on afternoon. This was my whole day schedule of November sorry. In means I solved papers for 15 and 16 days up to 2015 to 2000 in the reverse direction. And then I was totally bored. Means I am feeling I am forgetting much things. I want to revise. So in the next 10 to 15 days I did a revision in November. I did a revision, means 10 to 15 days I revise whole subjects, and revise in such a manner that I do not want to read it again. In this way I will prepare for November. And in December and January you should solve previous year question papers, Unacademy platform question papers as max as possible. And most important is analyze papers where you are going wrong. In this way you should keep your this 5-month strategy, and this will definitely keep you ahead. Means bring your rank below 100, below 200 if you prepare in such a direction. And one important thing is make a separate notebook in which you should write your mistakes, where you are going wrong, and what mistakes you are doing, what you are not understanding, new questions, write in this notebook. This is all I want to discuss, and thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and let's crack it.
It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging gate contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
where you put your knowledge to test.
and battle it out with the best.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for gate till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
With detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack gate deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate gate challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.
Hello learners, don't forget or miss our special class feature on Unacademy platform or application. Special class features are interactive live classes, polls for the learners, raise a hand feature, never miss a class, lecture notes, and you can go through lectures from anytime and from anywhere.